Alright, here's how you can change your phone number on the Fanduel app. So what we want to do is just open up our browser and have a Google search for Fanduel live chat. You want to open up this first link that pops up that says contact us. Once we have the website open, what we want to do is either click on live chat at the bottom right corner or just click on chat with us, get immediate answers and chat with live agents. Once we select this option, it's going to show us this screen and we have to fill out our first, last name, email, and the subject is going to be change phone number. Just like that. Afterwards, we'll click on done here. And if you have filled out all of your information, you will select start chatting. Now, once you select this, you will be connected to a live agent and you just have to explain that you have a new phone or a new phone number and that you would like to change your phone number. And if you verify your details or account information, if they ask for it, just to verify that you are the owner of the account, then they will help you with the phone number change. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.